The multifamily business can be grueling and time consuming. So those investors and brokers and others in the field that have created that incredible personal life, they're really attractive and they're really attracting others to them. In this video, we're going to define the term margin and how you as an investor can use it to your advantage. Let's go! I was recently on George Roberts' Foundery Multifamily podcast, and he asked me about the term margin that I mention in my book, Multifamily Investors Who Dominate. Take a listen.
Tell us what margin is and how it contributes to you being an elite investor or top performer.
Well, margin is actually a term. I'm not quite sure where it came from originally. However, a coaching company that I received coaching from, the Massimo Group, many years ago, the founder, Rod Santo Massimo, a good friend of mine, he would always coach his agents on margin. And what he defined margin is sort of the quality of life component. And so, we're all working hard in the multifamily industry on the investment side, on the brokerage side, the lending side, all those things. We're trying to create a life for ourselves where we can actually have time to spend on our hobbies, time to spend with our family, our friends, doing things on the weekend, actually having a life outside of real estate. And so that's called creating margin. What I have found is that when I look at some of the best investors in the country, and I look at them just sort of as I gotten to know them personally and what their personal life looks like Monday through Friday after 6 p.m. and what it looks like on the weekends, they have a lot of margin. They've hired on the right people, the right staff. They've got the right engine going where that has become a priority to them. Having personal time, having margin to do the things they want to is important to them. And that makes them more attractive. I'm attracted to someone like that because I like to be around people like that rather than just hard charging 24/7, nothing but business, insane. It's not something that's sustainable long-term. And so margin has always been something very important to me. And I'm attracted to that on the investor side. Woo, that's some good stuff right there. I hope it brought you some value and opened up your eyes to the bigger picture of how business and personal life work together. Be sure to give me a like down below, please, if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell right next to it so you're made aware of my videos each week. See you guys on the next one.